So my four-wheeler's over there, and over there is a whelen vortex. So let's get it on film, because they're about to test in about 2 minutes. Almost fark it. Okay, how much seconds are left?
Like 20.
Boss.
Introduction real quick.
Huh?
Do the introduction.
Okay, so I'm here with
The WX radio collector. Yoshi family was fun.
and we're at a Boston whaler.
9,
8,
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
here we go. This is about to be loud. Oh God, here it comes towards me. How?
Oh, I told you.
Oh God. Fucking truck. Oh God, it's gonna look at me. It was close to.
W test.
Real.